Login loop error on Chime Fix. If you're trying to log into your Chime account but keep getting stuck in an endless login loop, don't worry, you're not alone. Many users run into this issue, and most people get it wrong by assuming their password or account has been locked. But here's the surprising truth: it's almost always a local app data issue or time sync error, not a login problem. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, close the Chime app completely. Then, go to your phone settings, find apps, select Chime, and tap Storage. Clear both the cache and data. This removes any corrupted session files that might be causing the loop. Next, reopen the app and enter your credentials manually. Don't use autofill or password managers, they can sometimes introduce invisible formatting errors. If the problem continues, check your device's time and date settings. Make sure Tire is set to automatic. Chime's login system relies on time-based encryption, and even a 1-minute difference can cause the app to reject your session. Also, disable any VPN or proxy connection you might be using. Chime's security filters sometimes block mass tips, which can force the app into a login loop for protection. If none of these steps work, uninstall and reinstall the app from the official App Store or Google Play. This ensures you're using the latest version with updated security fixes. Once you regain access, enable biometric login for faster and more reliable sign-ins in the future. So, if Chime keeps looping you back to the login screen, don't panic. Clear your cache, sync your time, and turn off your VPN. With these quick steps, you'll be back to checking your balance and managing your money in minutes.